If you're building or managing a website on HostGator and want an easy way to move files back and forth, this guide will save you time. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create FTP accounts in Cpanel on HostGator and then connect those accounts in Filezilla. Super simple, step by step. Let's get started. Open the HostGator website and click the Sign In button on the homepage. Log in using your HostGator credentials. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll land on the main interface where all your hosting controls are located. Look for the website section. That's where all your site-related tools live. From there, click the Advanced tab. This is where HostGator keeps the deeper configuration options, including FTP settings. In the Advanced area, click Manage and locate the option labeled FTP Access or something similar. Once you open it, you'll see the controls that let you create new FTP accounts. Click Manage again inside that section to open the FTP account management screen. Now, find the button or link that says Create FTP Account. You'll be asked to enter a username, choose a secure password, and select the directory or folder you want that user to access. If you want full access to your website files, choose the root directory. When you've entered the details, save or create the account. Keep those credentials somewhere safe. They're what you'll use in Filezilla. Next, open Filezilla on your computer. At the top, you'll see fields for host, username, password, and port. For host, enter your website's server address or domain name. Then type in the exact username and password you just created. Leave the port blank or use 21 if it's required. Click Quick Connect, and within a few seconds, you should see your server files appear on the right side of Filezilla. From here, you can upload, download, and organize your site's files just like working in a normal folder. FTP access is one of the fastest ways to manage large files or updates without relying on a browser-based file manager. And once you've done it once, it becomes second nature. If this tutorial helped you out, drop a comment and let me know what you'd like to learn next. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech guides, and I'll see you in the next one.